Asante Kingdom oduri. Why can't we be together and push it and then yentimi Asante Kingdom no and a reflector of Akan Kingdom no. Not the glory and then that kind of dignity and that kind of idea Asante Kingdom no obtain no enka kaman and the gradually Asante Kingdom ni din no etie fra kaman no can it no ka wo researcher and one say catch us Asante Kingdom are part of the largest group, the largest account group, and then you don't hear them. You don't hear them. And then up disunity. Yo, you can send your invitation then me mano ebe free scrub and baby. Yes, actually. Obofu. I was na say me cry me ma TikTok ikese. Na omo. Obofu. Hey rade. Aka fon kore enra was ojina ha sadowa. Ojina ha wo sadowa say. Oya be ma na me say hey. Na me say I am a can. I dance I do and kitty. Na me say oya kan ni ampa. I am proud of all the king. 2 for na say 2 to nam sampa ne nana no ne nana no na so e boponse o ara so the team jekeri because I gonna fall when there is unity everything becomes peaceful and unique. Yes. Na nye unity ne obi pesa o destroy obi e bulu obi no tata obi no peaceful ni say obi etu ne yonko ase no obi ene ne yonko tsena sumdwiem. That is where peace can reign. Yes, obi betena bonten enado mahinetia on say yes so ne so akanfo ye nte sada na ye da ne ba say isa sempanifo ne abeto wo mo no na ese ye empanifo ne wo mo te politics achi wo mo ni brasante no ene na wo no mo say ya kanfo nkora akaka ne na nkente sa ayede na no mahire betra bonte da bia no ochiche ni pam de nsa na akanfo yeso we so ekwa beso. Let's say no to bullies. Onipa ko so bully obi no eyo tumfo say to yam kese so no kra won feed obi aye no ede na ye hwehwe wo kira de kra wo hwehwe a you be who your problem, then we can solve it for you. But since you have nothing at all to say, a supreme right, you always want to create division. None of my bad internet is so ne a bin momodi asadana asantine bunu abuni asante fitete. Na wonu kura na wonu chichire broma so no onu mankasa enana nana chem nana mensa bonsu abedi asante hine pen nti wane brono aka no wasem no nana do mahin why ne bunu na what one apese o create problem ma and the political area wouldn't say it's a political area o so create problem ma akanfo na emutete. What do you want? What do you expect to gain from that? What at all is your interest? You know, say you have an interest about something, but we don't really have a clue. And ne, obi betim be jina bonten, was ye fase kan we all because of war. Nana do mind. Akanfo nkuma kanfo, and na so Ghana akanfo pa na ewu. Monyi ne mo ho na mu nkuyan na yenwu. And na kanfo ne wu o Ghana ho more. Eda mo se. Ye bi nyina ebe wu. Monyi ne mo ho. Samu pedibre, upese ni pate monka. Eti mu kuma kanfo. Esa se botan asante fonti. Okay, ate. Monyena mo ho. Monyena mo ho. Munkuya miensa. Munkum as kanfo mensa. Esa se botan asante. Monyena mo ho. None of them are you not ashamed of yourself? Ade wuyi pa see just say because of person be to nka na say as a person o person be to nka na say be any development any infrastructure any kind of bibia wa ye na person de to nka na mu be papa ni pam se mfa to nka so e be ma dia na o ye hufuo and I can't afford tanta I can't afford me see bese daughter me here to the sense there me hu na ha me na ni here de wa create to aka ma mu no no ene den chira be sorry onya me kura obebo metuo eso me ya dewuni do be create dia to hono wona nanom fitete papa ka afo mu moya amusiefo ena ma betra ka afo nim moya amusiefo ena de bia moden so to aka ma ne so efiri wona na so abesa bonsam ne ma de na mo kafra ka ma ho ade na mo person behunu se unity aba ka ma mu de wuchi kwa ne se asante manya ebiti bunu ebiti central wagina wuchi se obehunu se o makom ho abom ede na ape bayi woni je eya wo fe na anu na abo ya bon wuradin na anu na abo togo siredin ya anu na abo ya na edin ada ma hene. You seem very, very just say, we are willed. What time would 2 4 say to be what do ya na? Odo ya bungra. Odo togo sere, but what time would 2 4 say to? Sa I can't form one in the hole. Na sam krofo we sha ase so mbe maka ma asenke nya no efri tete ena politics de baaye ebe soriti aka ma no mko chechiri kamichiro e kam yafunu mu operation prensa se ene me awo enka me owi ase da awo mamu na e won ka me da minima wo ya minim se ne oba kra wo fa sebi it minim ne meka operation kwana de wo ye na so me kam chew se me tanka se ne me yafunu se ni bibi biele ni wa e fe ne bono tribe bi ni wiase e bi ni wie yase ye wa kan groupa ye nyina ye tete asate kingdom was established ye hu se ye se osenti dan chira na ye kan ho asem o se ye kodan nchirafo ye twam ni me dan ye dan ne kakra ene ye kro dan chira na ye ya kai dan chirafo na ye dawfo ye fe adewu just say aguna ni bia wo ya dawuni yes so ye nanan was once so powerful enti yeso be ye e benya kingdom ane ye fe dan chira kingdom esase yeso be dia kan ma ne nyina so na sana dan chira kingdom no ebeba no ne o kingdom bia no so ho be bia kanfo ni nyina ye firi adanse ye hina na odi ya de no ye fe na nawurade abasa nawurade abasa ena ne die so na ye adanse kingdom akan history mo no kingdom edi akanfo so no eyetre ase da di akama ni nyina so na ye miensa pe ye ni kingdom bia aka ho bio de aka nyina ye states de aka nyina ye states de osi wo mo chichire kingdom di akama so no o meka menti eye adanse danchira ena sante eti after danchira na sante na unti sante na sa tro afro sa bre na bepem na de ka ye nyina egui because when you be we da adanchira okoyin be di adanse cha adanse kingdom na di akama nyina so danchira na e de ba end ena danchira kingdom so de di akama nyina so eye asante ena de ba end so this is what it is. So I can't for nyina basically asante for. It is so be catch us say obi be fan of broken kingdom or must shed that the internet so it is not true be mass here broken kingdom that. It was a state. A kro da so ho. Wokɔ Nkranza ekuro ketewa bi hyɛ inside Nkranza no ye frɛ hɔ manso ekuro bi so wɔ Nkranza fɛ no pene ekuro bi wɔ Nkranza fɛ no ye firi ɛna wo sa ba wɔ nim aba ko de nyanfoman ɛna ba ko bi de idruma ye fɛ sɛ abɔfo sɛ kuro no na na ɛyɛ state ya na ye fɛ no manso ebono manso ho but the near fɛ Blue region there your tanti near ti you asantifo gu sa Blue region mu no edo sisi ne wo bia wo sa mantam ho eti de na ye frɛ no Blue region 1959 ena Nkrumah tachiman biase ama bechemhina sa abra na prempetu na de so kra na kɔbɔ wo mo ena drobonum ne sumanu ma na o ye Jama state na koka ho ye to aba wo Blue region CPP aba wie mu ema no nipa prepra me nipa wi eno ene ebete honum ade ye bon and a half region na meka wei na me ni tro na atro bi anum se won mabakosem mo ka nyina ya tro efiri na agema historian and won mabakosem nyina ya tro because Ebono was a state, it was a town kuro ye nam no kasa da so ho nya sa yera eda so ho wo mo nananom mabakosem kire se o ma ayekofo o mo fikuro bi dia amowi na nam no kasa e wo fin so nyamfoman na nam no kasa e wo fin so abofo ne akomadam no kasa e wo fin so tachi metia e wo fin so eye den now afidi ne otumfo se tu onum ko share obi efe no na Mr. President Nkrumah na sekwa the history omo kasa Nkrumah firi wanchi ne nua ne buzia because is also o wan paso se buzia nonsense.
It's not true.
Ana won mo tie ho nyina because abrofo no be chemu abra 1874 abrofo no defiti asantefo no e abrofo na di asante no won mo empeso bia so na won mo no gige e fe nse taxes e wo ho school system nyina na abrofo na eyi abrofo na so na te confederacy no enya santefo and abrofo no te confederacy satam na abrofo asante ni power because na abrofo no anu o makon de o musu nkunim 1874 no from 1874 to 1900 abrofo no di wo musu sa ti 1935 nyana abrofo no detect ma wo mo ti abrofo no te confederacy no asante man te confederacy da because na so ayeso ana o mo te na prempetwa no eniti abrofo na ko mo de wo mo ho wono mo recognize say ye ba ha na ha nyina ya asante kingdom eti abra wo mu chemu no ade ono ye so mo de hot to western asante ana o mo de efanso to asante southern asante eti o mo ye south asante and western asante ti politics ne ba ye Nkrumah sankrofo we nana jima bedu ena na ye fe nana jima bodi odi kan okwa santima council satama na politics president no hoji ahinsem no no ehunu se politics na bento mu nya grounds no wo kwa santima sesena no addressing no ti sa sante hene ade ba homa ko so okutia so ne to so miensa eno mo si wu ade ene ba mayefo ama twene homa sesia se bi obi nkotwa bi mu ono a na eprafo ti ne sadia butu ho eno mo ma ni butu ho asantima council to twa de ya ma po anim osiritrase twa so kode anim osiritrase eso tumnya him osiritrase eno mo ma ni butu wa fra the pack of manwumre ne ho abufuo eno ro ka na me ya ho na me yawo ne nua ne na me ya wa ankasa o mo tetachima ne na mensa bonsu wodi asante hine pen wodi asante hine pen ne nua banso na ne cha na ye cha na se na prempe ifiri na prempe na ye cha ne ba na prempe ne wo fa na mensa bonsu ne wo fa biem ne na kofi kakari tachima foi esasa na mensa bonsu ne nua ne e fa say Kofi Kakari ninya ba ani nana ye cha onum nana omo maame nana fia kobi odi kan onum ene tachimanfo yi omo nana nyana mensa bonsu edi hene ayede nana de opesa wo kire se wo pesa wo kire se omo ye bonofo etu batiche omumu ana kan nyina be se ana nana tachimahene you will fail. O persuasions na pesa wo de che nipa mu no you will fail in Jesus name. You will fail when anam to me mu. It will not work. You were enemies to peace. It is abena na me ya wodi kan aka kire nana efa say na prempese ninkura sin so no a wako ye no ogi free ne sem no nkura sin so te say nyamfoman ene nkronkron so nana prempensa mfama nana prempese mfama no na tachimahene bufu ye na okase ne sadia wo mma santeman e cancel ne bio dia brofo ne te hem ana nana do mahene ne hokobo nana tachimahene ya ne fe nana me ya wodi kan ani abia senso ede ne hobebo ye ana omro omkobo CPP aban eti asema na me ne wo kan asi baby e fro honom friend say boko mamprusi ayifo ntokwa no eye nana diman bedu ane wo maka ne creative ntokwa no because satam nana dobonum ate party e friend no MPP yeah Northern People's Party na kuma ko ese won for sa party make CPP de ho ana won so obon kan no ko fa mamprusi ni besi ayi boko fo akonya so e de ko fa santokwa we bai ya abepem ne dombo na ya kana sem no dombo na ye tiame ba afo akoto ninya ba ya na e dombo yire no ti dombo de ne party ko kan NLM ya National Liberation Movement na ye tin wo menhia no e wo subiri so wo de ko kan eti MPP na Northern People's Party no na kunta ene o tiame ba afo ti National Liberation Movement no ye ninya ba ya na war dombo ene na wo ne ma eso ye ti ha ena anoche frimpo ababonte bekase Kwame kuma peso ye free education man no fofo no asante fo so wono mpene eniti na ma asante fo te party no eso asante fo party an Ghana de say tani pendiem sakosi asante party at 1954 so bi so na ni wati party won wana konta dumbo ono MPP National Northern People's Party no we one of the founders no do oti sa party LMM no ono ankasa na konta no na so bra no fufu onya independence no in 1949 esa say British for the who say Southern sector ya atem ni adade no one more a lot of nkrofo a Omako school beba no no kwa a man named Ahalasan onu kwa ne call British Cambridge onu kwa ne professor no on off to me your majesty so be man of ni na free education in 1949 was Nkrumah president after 1951 and abrofo ne yet the secondary school as a demand of force as anya free what Asantinti one and not if came out to say this disgraceful thing against the Asante Kingdom and disgrace the North, you did not say nothing. Anna, Nanajima Bedu, Omokoshe CPP, Etiabra Bobo Abai Casa CPP, 43,000. Ama NLM, enya 34,000. And Uncle 4 year rot or Jose. Abano Madane no beseno, Nemo LM Nunya 43,000, and Kurmanya 34,000. Any more on more call, yeah, kind of carefully, they carefully too almost so. No, winning seat in majority. Or winning seat in the majority in 1959. And Nkrumah, what says up and Patamho, and what do what to Bono, and a 34 be solely against India, you will be tapine called your name. Chechre and a rotten ban was okay, but for Bonia half. Yeah, Nina, ye Asante majority there is Asantis. It will also your majesty say, you were just say, you bet Polutum crown on Wahano. Your Maya Santifon, you Polutum to moon number 10 Santifo. So this is what they begin to tell them. And as Santifo move Bruno for it will make the Bruni invading Crana to the sense, if you want more, omufisa 60 bani nyina no otan asante so ya santini by broad edoma hene ne nanam yakwa de kire oje kire die because a kire no wasa ko ne diem nanam ya hu se da bi nanam ya sa ko ne diem akire nanam ya ka hu ana yeyi nana prempe bi di ade nanam ya wo de mu ye bia onyame obetua mo binom ka ena obehu ono drobo hene na okasa sane ena omo maba omo be na you from beso brunchi. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Wo ye Germany edi enti na mo kase ebunu hene e wo bontuku abra woni se bontuku ehena wo Germany ade konti a mo gye bunu no Germafo gye bunu atamoni ase mo nana ne ye fe na bunu nyankopon to some person by all costs mo de mo nana din no mo may active mo de akwese politics achi mo ko ware mansofo mo ya yekofo emebe ya abunu ane manso ene mo sa activity nkora no bi na nyame betwia mo ka je ni pa odua no eno na abetwa sakrofo da koso so many damages wo Ghana ho but dan say ne yanka bakosem nkire nkwaranti people are standing there supporting Nana Bedu who has na koso so many trouble, so many has so many killings e kura kitikiti sa no munyina mo ho na mo behu nipa tu kai say na wo sa kire mo so ya ho brase and oprapra e kwa mu che so ya ho brase busa say the enti no esa he just want to gain your favor, he want to gain your support, he just want to see himself ya ho brase but in normal circumstances so no and the wo tumfo position ka Ghana we nya so because baby kro wo ginan ya de oye so no and the wo japade and what build estate ahodo I build schools ahodo I build auditorium ahodo I build museum near that they are no ma hene ka ohu ni pakora ko be hye obetua da hene but in the position po hede oyo and also impressed because social media is a way to prove to the fools say you are wise and an o prapra busa hu say wo hene wo pra edenti na wo hene person stup no o impressive wo ya what internet ne so maka sa wo hene we de o ya hobrase o hene we de o ya wise adentia edenti no person impressive edenti no person o ye ma wo penasem edenti no person o ye na wo kasa o ya hobrase na wo sa no yesi edenti no person o ye sa busa hu a wise to a wise is enough. Because of person be a better santifo near castle ye. Na me donya me se wono pa na kase what is so too for zeto. Me donya me kakama ho no ko bi enya so. Edienti ene ne opeso ya otoboraka o di beans sisi ko opeso ma wo ena ohini we de ye neat o ena wo sisi 1999 ena obedi ade ade na afi na wa hyase ade na TikTok ni Facebook ni ade bayen ade na wa hyase ade da no to ye de da no nya hene because da no ya GTV for me cover one for me cover because abre na wo ho ben na ona wa ya obenye obi ma o de beto Facebook so ama no ama nkwasiafo president se woni nyansa or a humble leader or a humble king as I say there's no king in Ghana so no call for friend king ana me de men koto yi private jets yet so the application accommodation say o pese ma VIP abra wutu kwan and almost you don't deserve it. So I just want to tell you say obi o sika ne dada obi o brempon ne dada obi o yade share dada obi ahunyade no ho dada obi ajapade no ho dada no obre no ho asem. It's more humbler and more wise. It's so for say to Bibia obi, but yet Odonipa or Brand was many pa only party as you name one mamlani amania so and got it to go to Miana Juma. You no force of purpose so impressive no was said and why sir. But on the position was our position now or two phobia. Can you see the true colors of that or no any pan? Always make a comparison right. Your comparisons ye. So nipa no. So na was our way position akadian obey. This is what you need to ask yourself. Obey or in 1999, the same time that Mabokobey, the same time or 2 to be. Boost another man one development away on the kurum. Much than I see. Which I appreciate it. Why are they? Because in the word they could much. And I was the bus stops because now over so be a who saw ye Juma. And I was here, ye Nancy and again so or me a repair clinic maternity and what Tom Kubeta Negira dear, madam. Oya Santiniba, Mechia. And an says what about a car? Why are dear? Now what about the person or person chose or condemning at your the scholarship scheme of 2 for ye. A producing lawyers. Judges and yasantiphobia, angonophobia, infantophobia, agriphobia, tisalaphobia, crania Ghana for. I produce lawyers, doctors, teachers, I produce judges, I produce nurses, I produce nipa baby. For so from 1999 till now, no one I always say anything. Only I always say anything. Sassican was saying Crawford no. At a chile, in crack a siaka 9. From that time till now. Otum for denta. From 1990, from 2001 2002. Otum for denta namun kurase emerewafo enkoran kurase etu nesim for free. Otum for the chia dental doctors in neseseneka. No we are petrol car ne kode bia no se ye didize gum. Onye na I say anything. Otum for mobile library. A cronin classic or chankra, the way it's used to laptop, computers near that day, you read the book, or 2 for book education with my fund. Or 2 for supply, science book, math book, English book, must schools be for free. Or 2 for a first school repair one wine, and no school sir, a google crasse, your 2 for CCA, and ye bini, too many of them. And no danchania. Individual tun for na pen afinipim otun for kwa na wod Ghana for bi di na chiko otun for kwa no Ghana for di na chiko omoko omma bi wonim nipa na motun for saso omokota bi ogire onyi na ye we say anything onyi na ye we say anything so auditorium otun for singing handedly wasi komizio na menhia ko he enema kase ye o menhia ahwan kasa museum kase ye se o menhia onyi na ye we say anything onyi nya hwe but me do hina or 1 paramount chief or 2 for 70 of ononisa so e de to turn because of 4 town na Ghana for so our support to stand we e say ya pentias antefo a kire won o 2 for say to nyam kese I see a lot of secondary schools, so many secondary schools what apa ensure ye won kurase o 2 for single handedly nya santemem nkwa ya waya a sponsor Otumfo etimi hwenye minim edashi ni psika eyisika dashi ni pasaje ade no waye hwe estate abodi okwa sokoro mampon ko he estate otumfo wayesi ho ko prabon ko he prabon estate otumfo ayesi ho ye obi a wo yaka ni bia betobia 5% discount ade no waye mu ade no otumfo aye mu ade pa no waye mu me pese me busa Otumfo ebie factories or factories ya to excavators ni manema otumfo e o factory ya bodo kwan ye drinks ahodo abrobe anka enipa ya fo won mu nyina otumfo twa won ka otumfo sa de bodo kwan na fruit no ye de bia crepes ye ton unyina ye umpotu we da unkasa papa bia mfa an hoda but obi koka ekofa 2007 and otumfo to ka yadu mabedo akoto bakwi oto maku 6 ema kemi unyi na ye we say anything be agima bedu koto ba ko pe 2025. Look at how many years from 2006 to 2025. But to promote Ajimabedu no aya dia no your white skin. Can you in your hearts compare Nana Ajimabedu to 242 in your own hearts? What tiny free? What 240 Emma 5 billion was fire education for 5 billion. 5 billion. So come for that yes uncle ya ne diatem. You no so fancy count private jet no. 2 years tika pot $5 million and order to us here. And a Santa Man Ghana for any yanum north of four. O nyina gitum say no ya Santa for a boabi e bini muntakano money. Mr. Lunon, one would be a baby buyer and then the confounded her. Shem papa baby and Crawford that so. Shall send you see your hospital, shall toilet so, o cockra yali ebeko. Don't my phone you now to emergency 1 year over. O munina ho, be breno mudi atamnano, 1 year warm. And now no say, who could you ho, Uber who do my phone baby in this my phone before, and now doctors for her on. It sounds like a hospital can backwards a southern sector nina and she or 2 for 1 kayent or cost the hero secondary school. She says 600 capacity bed of dormitory and your dormitory keko and pa or finish and pass it. She said yes say bathroom and the toilet teachers flat. She did your ye wouldn't see care course. Wouldn't see car sir. Project na ebe because we obi krasi we hotel Ghana wa ya de pa betre osiache no old school onsa won onsa wonyina ye onsa wotano but obi kok prapra ekosa wo friend wise skin humble king. But you know, at the development say the pampum be ni passes number he hano, and the pampum be ni pabenya the sa, and the pabenya baby literature, or be bo ni pamana sitting my mere. Who didn't what them because of say a catcher will say, Asante for ye and muja, Asante for shower moon, Asante for more be on cast of Munquani nipa, and you abide that. But Santini be a personally share on cast anchor one. And until a year answer for us, ye makwain. Ye makwa because ye knew you were soon pack a best 4, 5 hour Ghana and a bebo. A dear na why mo. Ye would do beer. Nanako siata. Was another siata the miniano. Me cry come a pack or nada. And look at the fair. Also a pack or nada. O come be cry be was Santa for your cry and for your beso be cop men crannies and I'm pay. No one know 2 for chia or no a James Manche now to ho as so 2 for on fahun and yan asem. Timmy don't 5 good million 5 billion 5 billion Uganda sikem 5 billion say 5 year educational fund. Fatu asie na mofra esku komu enkoyie na mofra entimi muridi mone ban waye okọ ne nua na kwasi ataho na nia dia hey otod mu se tom wasi ama feel so sen na nia si age ma ne nua so 5 billion on de ono ne nua no akanfo a we nyina nya ofe ye wura do ne nua no ye wura ka ne nkona kama ne na yete ne didi bom eso mo tano edi entia ene na pese me wura se me ma me dehye nyara okofa dehye wo sen o se asen me dehye mo mafi agoranya kro me dehye mo mafi obi pese o unite ne nkrofo nyina bom ana wo tencha ye wo ya edi enti na wo pese obi hu unity no adentia some nkrofo am wo bona ene kwa me nkroma de mo ba to bon region no mo so mo mafi ana na wo pese obi hu sa unity no ade onu nyina ate no mu siesie omo hu e ma hemane ahemfo efe ne nipa nyina hu a e ma sabi onu bu akamane asante ana wo mpese obi hu wo ye mambofo wo nye nipa wo se no tene wiase na hedie yenim dia kamai we stood for ye ka power ya kamai dia. So we stood for our rights. Me ba ma misima sister Janet me ba